Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe it. In this video, we will see what is Spring Initializer and how to create Spring Boot sample application using that. There are many videos I already uploaded to this channel if you want to learn Spring Boot in details, and link in the description. Let's open Spring Initializer reference guide. This is the best place to read about Spring Initializer. As you can see, everything is in detail, so please go to this documentation. Let's see how to create sample project as per the requirement using Spring Initializer. There is the URL like start.spring.io. As you can, there are so many options like in which build tool you want to build your project, like Maven or Gradle. This time I am selecting Maven. The language also you can choose like Java, Kotlin, Groovy. This time I am selecting a Java. And you can choose Spring Boot version also, like this time I am selecting 2.0.0, and here you can edit default group and artifact. The group you can say package structures, so I am changing with Almighty Java, and artifact like application name, so I am changing with book. In dependencies we can choose any one, like I am creating web project, so web. And want to add default security, so security, and to see application related information, so the actuator. And don't want to run again and again, so dev tools. And database, so I am selecting H2. You can choose other databases also like MySQL or Oracle, and database API, so I am choosing JPA. Now I am clicking on generate project. As you can see, book zip downloaded. Let's unzip it. Let's open project and command prompt. Let's run the project using Maven command. As you can see, security password is showing in the log. As you can see, application started and running on 8080 port. Let's open in browser. As you can see, login page is coming, and it's coming because of Spring security. The default username is user and password can copy from the log. See, error page is coming because there is no class to handle this request. Let's open the same project in Spring Source IDE. It's importing as Maven project. Let's stop this Tomcat which is running from command prompt. It stopped. Project loaded. Let's open all the files which created by Spring Initializer. Starts from POM XML files. As you can see, whichever dependencies I added all are here. Let's open test resources in Java folder. As you can see, under Java, only one class, book application. Let's open this class. Let's the open application properties file. As you can see, under test, only one class, book application test. Let's open this class. Under src there are no files. As you can see, there are a lot of dependencies downloaded because of starter Maven dependencies. Let's run this project using Spring Boot app. I hope you liked this video, then please subscribe our channel.